Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. In this tutorial we will talk about for loop. So for loop is used in a situation where we know how many times our loop will be executed. But in while loop we don't know how many times the loop will be executed beforehand. So first of all I'll write here the syntax of for loop. For, then parentheses, and inside this parentheses we will declare a variable and we will set a value for that variable, which is called what? Initialization. So I will write here initialization. The next we will add a condition or write a condition. So I will write here a condition. If the condition is true, a value will be increment in our variable value. So I will write here increment or decrement. Then it will what? If the condition is true, it will add a value and what will happen? Execute inside this curly bracket whatever our statement will be, it will be executed by our loop. So I will comment this one and I will write here, for example, for example I want to print the days of the month. So I will write here for I is or x is equal to what? 1. So this is called the initialization part. I have declared a variable and I have set a value for this variable. Now this is the initialization part. This one. So this initialization part is finished. Now let's come and write a condition. So I'll write a condition. If the value of x is less than equal to 30 or 31, what will happen? If the condition is true, increment here for me x plus plus, then curly bracket, and inside this curly bracket I will print x echo and x. Now here write a BR tag to break the line. Control S. Let's see what happened. Index and then for loop. Now you can see it's printed from 1 to 31. Now if you want to make it a drop down, you can just write here a select before the tag of PHP. Write here tag of HTML select. So and copy this one and you can write it here. So I have deleted the tag of PHP. Now you can see I have added a what? Select tag of select I have added. Now let's see the changes. Now it's what? A selection is added here. Now let's insert the option also. So just here write option and then instead of this we are close the option here. Control S. Now you can see the drop down is made. So I hope you understand the concept of for loop. Now we will make another like I want to print months from January to till December, a drop down of the months. So I'll write here first of all here I'll write that month. I'll declare a variable here month and inside this month I will write an array. Inside this array I will write January, then February. So now I have written all the name of the months. Now we will make a drop down. So I will just write here for. Inside this for I will declare a variable x, and I will set a value for this 1. Then after that what? We will write our condition. If x is less than what? If x is less than 12, then increment in the value of x plus plus, and we will write open a curly bracket, and here I will write what? Statement echo. Then inside this thing double quotation we will write what? Month, and in here bracket, inside this bracket we will write our x. And if you want a BR, no sorry, let's see Control S. I will first of all Control S. Let's see error. Where is the error? The error is here. I have to add, no, here I have to add what? As semicolon. Control S. Now you can see it is made it here. Now let's add an option also. Add here option, then close option. Let's see now. You can see January, February, March, April, June, July, August, October, November, December. So one thing more, add a single quotation here and make it blank, because the variable, the index number of a array is start from 0. So just leave it a blank and don't write, and write it after this blank here: January, February, March, April, June, July. So thank you so much guys for watching this video. I will see you on the next lecture.